Welcome back to our YouTube channel. My name is Wendy. I am a part-time reseller, mostly on Poshmark. I'm a full-time postal worker, and this is my daughter Athena.
I'm a part-time box opener.
She's a part-time box opener. She's the keeper of the scissors. All right. Anyways, we are doing another mystery box today. Surprise, surprise. This is a women's, I believe, one. Probably medium, I think. It's coming from Kingsport, Tennessee. Most of ours come from Lake Worth, Florida. So let's see if we get anything different from Tennessee. Open the box.
Yay!
Just go!
I'll wait for you to tell me
I think most of these are 10 to 12 on those for, how much is that? $24.99? Let's see. We have the Peppa. Women's Apparel box, medium, $24.99. Yep. Here we go. So the first is this loft striped top. Cute. Basic. Yes. Okay, your turn. Oh, ooh, what's that? Joggers? Joggers?
Athleta.
Ooh, Athleta. You can't have these. Okay, I got
It has half my name in it.
Athleta, Athena. I know, close, right?
I'm sponsored,
Let's see if there's anything in the pockets. I like to check pockets, and I like to find stuff in pockets. There's some striped little joggers. They feel like they are a little bit of linen, but I've never known Athleta to have linen. Let me see. Sorry, did I scratch you?
Yeah.
It is 100% linen. Ooh, called it.
What?
Yeah, linen. So Athleta linen joggers, stripe, pinstripe. Okay. I say they're joggers.
Lounge pants.
Lounge pants. All right. Next, this is more linen. It looks like Lenesra. I don't know. This feels linenish too. It's a striped dress. This is probably just a boutique brand. Let's see if we can find a fabric content. But I like the colors, the blue and the tan. Is rayon and linen, yes. Cute though. That's cute. Girl, that's cute. Okay, your turn.
I'm looking at this one. American Eagle.
Looks like it's new with tags. Just a little peplum top. $24.99 was the retail price. That's actually pretty cute. I bet we could put like cottagecore in that. Yeah, as the term, because it's definitely floral and granny like it. All right, what is that? J. Crew Factory. Factory is gonna have the little triangles underneath. I think it feels good though. It's just a little black. Looks like just a little tank with a little ruffle at the bottom. What we got? What brand is that? Chico's. This is definitely mature brand. It feels very lightweight. What's with all the linen feeling stuff in here? Cotton and spandex.
It's secretly a linen box.
I guess. I didn't know they sold linen boxes. No, it's not linen, but it's lightweight like it could be. This is just a little Wrangler. Oh, that's cute with some fringe at the bottom. Girl, look at this. Just a little kimono. What's the word I'm looking for? Crochet. Tan crochet. That's pretty cute. It's cute. You cute.
Same with the zipper. I was looking at the zipper and I didn't know what it was.
Adidas. As it's called in German, because this is actually a German brand, and they call it Adidas. I've seen a video about companies that are actually German brands and things that we mispronounce. It's pretty funny to see all the brands that we didn't know were German and we were totally saying them wrong. But there is another reseller on here. I think it's Veronica, and she's German, and I think she says Adidas. But it's cute. I like it. I like that coral pink. It's got the stripes down the arm. Doesn't look like there is anything wrong with it. Just a little hoodie jacket. Cool. I like it. Oh, okay. I'll take this one. Animal print. Looks like I bet it's chickens. Oh, Tiny Willow. It's just probably a boutique brand or something, but it is, I think this, oh, look, it's got the tag still. No price tag on it. It's probably boutique-y. It's, I think this is the Jaguar. No, what's the other one? Cheetah, Jaguar, leopard. No, it's cheetah. So cheetah, I think, doesn't, maybe it's completely black. What? Well, I can tell leopard from everywhere else, but this is polyester and spandex. It's kind of see-through. Oh, cute. No tags.
What are these?
Ooh. I bet that's good. Old Navy, nope. I like the colors though. That mauvish lavender color with the gray color blocking.
Okay, I'll keep it.
That's pretty cute. It's not gonna fit your butt. That's a medium, girl.
I'll make it fit.
All right. Then we got some shorts here.
These are pretty though.
They're pretty. I like them. Oh, look at that. Vineyard Vines. It's got the little whale in the back and the little tassel front. Just a little denim light chambray. Little shorts. I like this. I like these. Vineyard Vines. One more.
It is big.
That's new with tags. Get a lot of new with tag stuff from some of their women's boxes. That's okay. What is the brand? Athletic Works. It's okay. I could probably put it in as a free gift with purchase for somebody who's this size. I'd appreciate it, right? Would you appreciate a free new with tag t-shirt? Like solid, simple, whatever. Okay, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. So they actually gave us the full 12 items. Most of the time I get cheated out of it. But yeah, 12 items, $24.99. It's about $2 a piece, a little bit more after I pay my $5 shipping. I will link the Goodwill. I will link the Goodwill link down below for the Goodwill blue boxes that you can purchase your own. They drop them every Friday at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So that's like 5 o'clock my time, Central Time. It's very, very hard to get them. Like I am on there right before 5 o'clock refreshing. They don't drop them all at once. They trickle down. Sometimes they drop some right before 5 o'clock or 6 o'clock your time to be sure and refresh. It's good to have a Google account to create that. It's good to create that Goodwill account ahead of time. That way you're in their system and that they will just bring you up, because I have to hand key it every time because I'm on my phone. And my PayPal is linked to my P.O. box, and they don't ship to P.O. boxes because they ship through FedEx. So I did that once by mistake. I put in my PayPal information, that way it auto-populated it, and I got an email a day later saying, you know, we don't ship to P.O. boxes. Can you send us a physical address? So I'm glad that they had good enough customer service to realize that right away, and they reached out to me and they ended up shipping it to my house. So I learned that the hard way. If I could just go in and change my PayPal to my physical, it'd be easier, but I'd rather just have my billing in my PayPal with my P.O. box, because I know it's linked through eBay and stuff like that, and I don't want people getting my physical address. So you pick and you choose your battles, right? Mm-hmm. Anyways, 12 items, Goodwill Blue Box, women's apparel. Some of the infant and the kids are a lot cheaper, $9.99 and I think $14.99. They have men's as well. I've done men's before. I can link that one. We actually got a buy one get one coupon, and I chose to do the men's for those boxes, and it was actually pretty good. So I've sold some stuff out of there already. Anyways, y'all have a great day, and be sure to like and subscribe.